I want to share an amazing tool with you that you can use for headlines, subject lines for emails, or titles for free reports or ebooks. So this is called the Headline Analyzer. It's at aminstitute.com/headline. And what you do is it will analyze your headline, title, or subject line, and it will give you a reading as to whether the words in it are more intellectual, more empathetic, or more personal. And it also will give you a percentage of the emotional marketing value. And as it says here, you reach your customers in an emotional way, and that's the key to successful copywriting. So I'm going to show you an example here. This is the title of a free report that I was using for a while, and we're going to analyze that. So we select a category, business and professional services, click submit, and it's going to give me an emotional score of 21.43, and it says here that you want it to be 30% or more, and this also says that this headline carries words that have a predominantly spiritual appeal. So if I want to appeal to people who are spiritually oriented, or if my product is something that is for spiritually oriented people, then this is a pretty good score. Now let's try another headline, and this is a headline that I used after submitting it to a forum that I was in, and people gave me feedback on it, and so I came up with this title and used that for a while. And this is what happens when I put it in here. So my emotional score was only 7.69%, and it is neutral. It has no words that invoke any kind of emotional impact. So once I noticed that, I started fooling around with the title. And the title that I came up with that actually had the best percentage was this title: How Solopreneurs Can Get Quality Leads Every Month Without Spending a Dime. So we'll use the same category and submit that. And as you can see, this had the highest score of all of those, 41.67%. And it says that the headline carries words that are predominantly appeal to intellectuals. So that, and this gives you an explanation of that. It arouses curiosity, and they are these words are best used to attune copy and sales aimed at people in business. That's how this tool can be used. If you have a headline, a subject line, or free report title, then this headline analyzer is a great tool to use. And as you can see in comparison, I could have lost a lot of sales by using a headline that wasn't emotionally appealing to enough people. So using a headline that has at least 30%, and in my case, almost 42% here, that's going to get a better response from people who want to download my free report. So, hope you enjoyed this resource tip. And if you'd like to get a copy of that free report of mine, How Solopreneurs Can Get Quality Leads Every Month Without Spending a Dime, just go to tinyurl.com/JKEB as in boy, K. That's short for ebook, so JKEBK. And let me know how you like it.